Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair tutorial on this hairstyle right here. It's just a really pretty braid going down the middle of my head with a ponytail. This is a boho inspired tutorial. I went on Pinterest and looked up hairstyles, and this one came up a lot, or just ponytails with braids in general, and I really like how it looks. I have actually done this before, and I just think it's so cute and so easy. You can dress this up, you can dress it down, whatever you want. You can wear it to wherever you want. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then keep watching. Okay, so my hair is already brushed, and next I'm going to go in with this Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. I really like this dry shampoo. It's instantly become one of my favorites, and I'm just going to spray it along the roots, and I'm mostly just focusing it in between my eyebrows. So if you were to draw a line up from my eyebrows, that's just where I'm focusing it. And I'm done with that. Just wanted to do a little tiny bit. And now I'm going to take a comb, and I'm going to look in the mirror behind you guys because it's easier for me to see. And I'm kind of just going to draw a line from my eyebrow. And then again from my eyebrow. And then this hair that I'm holding with my left hand is going to be put in a braid. This was just kind of mapping it out for me. So I'm going to take the hair from right here, and this is what's going to be in the braid. All of this. I'm not going to attach the whole thing to my head. So first I'm just going to take this hair tie just so I could section this off, and then I'm going to go in with another hair tie. I look crazy. Gonna go in with another hair tie just to put this section in a low ponytail again, so it's easier for me, and then just take this out. Okay, so once you have all this hair out, I just want to brush it just to make sure that it's sectioned off nicely. There's gonna obviously be some pieces that are stubborn, so just gotta kind of deal with them the best way you possibly can. And now I'm just going to take this end of my comb and section off a small piece of hair and split this into 3 so I can start braiding it. And I'm going to do a Dutch braid. If you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, I have a tutorial on it, so that'll be linked in the description box. So I'm just gonna cross everything over twice to get that little braid started. And then this piece that's in my right hand, I'm just going to pick up a little bit and bring that under. And again, pick up from the left, bring it under. Picking up from the right, bringing it under, and just repeating that all the way. So I've reached the point where my hair, I've gotten to the point where it's, there's no more to pick up. So once there's no more to pick up, you just gotta finish off the braid like you would if you were doing like a normal Dutch braids. You're just gonna want to braid all the way down until you can't braid anymore. my braid is all done, so I'm just gonna go in with this little black elastic just to tie it up. You can go in with whatever elastics you like. And I'm not going to make it too tight for right now because I want to pull the braid apart to make it messy. So if you put the hair in between your thumb and like your pointer finger knuckle, that makes it a little easier to pull apart the braid and make it that like messy, voluminous looking braid that you want to give it. Don't tie it up when they're doing this. I like to tie it up because I've noticed it's just easier. But if you don't want to tie it up and separate it first and then tie it with the elastic, go ahead. It's literally all personal preference. So now I'm just going to take my hair out that I put underneath, and you could totally just leave your hair like this with just the braid going down the back. I think it looks so cute when it's just like that. Or what you can do is you can take your hairbrush and your hands and bring your hair up into a ponytail. And if you want, you could honestly just pull the braid up and out of the ponytail at first, so you can just make life a little easier for yourself. And you could figure out how high you want the ponytail and all that fun stuff. And it's easier to smoothen everything out that way. And then you can just lay the braid on top. Make sure it is flat and facing the correct way here, because I think mine got a little twisted. Yes, it did. And then just wrap it with your hair tie. I use the thick hair ties, so I'm able to wrap my hair around like 4 times. And then I just tighten it, and then it's just one braid down the middle here. It looks so cute and pretty. And then if you want, you can just pull it out more. I love this because it's really, really cute, and you can dress it up, dress it down. I like to also just take out any little hairs because I just like that messier type of look. And right here got a little loose. I don't really know why, so I'm just gonna take a bobby pin right here and just kind of hide it in the braid and the ponytail as best as I can, and then pull out some more hairs. I've been liking like pulling my baby hairs out more. I don't really know why. Just like that like messier look. You go, and then once I get it to my liking, I'm just gonna go in with some hairspray just to spray it. And that is it for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social medias. It's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video requests of any videos you want to see me do in the near future, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!